Hello guys, welcome to the channel Math Ko Math with Aditya. In this video, we'll be seeing the exercise 3.2 of pair of linear equations in two variable. So we are doing the third question. So on comparing the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So now let's start with the solution. So guys, let's start with the solution. So before doing the solution of the question, we just have to take in mind some basic concept that if a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, we have to study the relation between them. So in the first case only, if they are not equal, the first two ratio are not equal, then there is no advantage of taking their relation with the third, because at the first position only they are unequal. So if this is the situation, the lines can be called as intersecting or consistent. And now the second situation, if the first two ratios are equal but they are not equal to the third ratio, then in such a situation where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but is not equal to c1 by c2, lines are parallel or inconsistent. And if all the three ratios are equal, then they are called dependent consistent. So using this knowledge, we are going to find the solution of this question. So in the first part, we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. We'll find the ratios. So 3 by 2, the second ratio is 2 by minus 3, and the third ratio is 5 by 7. So as you can see, the first two ratios are not equal themselves, therefore we will take this first situation, intersecting consistent, therefore the given two lines are consistent. So this is the first part, and this is very easy question, you just don't have to do anything. The second question, you have 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Now you will be operating on them. So the first ratio will be 2 by 4, second minus 3 by minus 6, and the third is 8 by 9. As you can see, it is equal to 1 by 2 and this is also equal to 1 by 2. So here you have that the first two ratios are equal but they are not equal to the third ratio. Therefore the lines can be considered under this category, that is this one category, parallel or inconsistent. Therefore in this question we were asked about their inconsistency or consistency, so we will write that they are inconsistent. Let's move on to the third part. So for the third part, the numbers were 3 by 2 x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Now let's solve them. So the ratio of a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2 whole upon 9. So this can be written as 3 by 2 into 1 upon 9, reciprocal. So when you cancel it, 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. So you are left with 1 by 6. For the second part, you have 5 by 3 by minus 10. So 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10. Cancel. So you are left with 1 by 6. But here it is negative 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6. And at the last position you have 7 by 14. which is equal to 1 by 2. So as you can see here, you have 1 by 6 and here you have minus 1 by 6. These both are not equal to each other. Therefore, the following pair of line is consistent. Because 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 6, they are entirely different. Now let's move on to the fourth. So in the fourth part, we have 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Again we will find the ratio. Here a1 is 5, b1 is minus 10, a2 is minus 10. So 5 by minus 10 will give you minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. Next you have to take the ratio of b1 b2. So minus 3 by 6. This is also equal to minus 1 by 2. And for c you have c1 by c2 is 11 by minus 22 and this is also equal to minus 1 by 2. Since all the ratios are equal, it is a dependent consistent line. But in the question we were just asked about the consistency or inconsistency. So these are consistent. So now let's move on to the last part. In the last part, we have 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Again we'll be finding the ratio. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. So this is 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is 2 by 3 given directly. And c1 by c2 is 8 by 12. When you cancel out, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. All are equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. These lines are also consistent. Again, this was a very easy solution which can fetch you good marks in the boards. You just have to keep in mind the relation and that's it. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.